It is so important to have leaders of color for many reasons, which include not only having role models, but letting people know that they can get there from here. It's hard to become what you don't see, and it's hard to become what you don't know is even possible. In my case, I am the first African-American female superintendent in Topeka, Kansas. And when I started, I was the only one. Now I've been there 8 years and we have 4. Now that's still not a lot out of almost 300, but it's 3 more than what we had previously. You see, without a first person of color, you will never have a second. The other reason of having leaders of color being an important piece of any school district and really of our country is to ensure that access and opportunity is real. And you see that based on the experiences of other people. To know that you can access all levels of education, not just being a student or a teacher, but being a principal, being a superintendent, being anywhere else in terms of leadership within the school system. You know that's possible when you see that happen. And so social emotional health, both for students and staff, are key to ensuring the success in schools. In the country, the third leading cause of death for teens is suicide. That is an indication of lack of social emotional health across the country, no matter what state you are working in. In Topeka, we thought about the fact that you give ear exams and eye exams. Why can't we give mental health exams? And we actually can. And at one point, when I first started, people thought that was crazy. How are you going to give 13,000 students mental health exams? Well, we put 3 questions from the Adverse Childhood Experiences Survey on our enrollment form. We went 6 consecutive years without a student suicide. If a parent marked yes to any of those questions, automatically a mental health team went to that home before they ever started school to find out what the issues were over the summer, to ensure they have resources, and to wrap their arms around the whole family. Social emotional health is one of the most important areas that are often neglected and overlooked. For both students and for staff. We place it as a priority in Topeka, and I would encourage all school districts to do that by ensuring that you have enough mental health and trauma-informed teams in place.